Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you should see that above each strap we have this button right here. We have the one here and we have the other one right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Basically, you have two buttons on each side of the watch. And to release the strap, it's quite simple. You press on this button, on one of the buttons, and then pull out the strap. You need to press it with a fingernail because it needs to go like you need to push it quite deep, like that, and it will release the strap. Same for this side. Come on. It's a bit of a struggle sometimes, but it's not that hard. After a couple of tries it should release. And here we have our straps and our watch, and this mechanism is quite simple and, not to be honest, one of the best. You have quick release right here, and basically how it works, you press the button on the watch, it releases the mechanism right here on the watch, and that's the basically releases the pins right here and lets you to pull out the strap. And once you get the new straps and you want to put them on, you simply grab the strap, you aim those metal parts of the strap into a holes on the watch right here, and once you insert them into the hole, it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple, very nice solution for this, like that. Okay, and that's how we change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.